Well, I'm back to my daft tricks and I've left the camcorder's tripod in the chapel. So we've propped it up on the printer behind me. We've got a Sapphire X4000 in immaculate condition, complete with its book and instruction book. We're going to run with the factory original microphone. Looks like a Radiomobile one to my mind. And there we go. Full 4 watt output and 0.23 microvolts for 12 decibel sign on receive. So there we go. We will see. Does dim do the dim does the meter, which is unusual. That's impressive. Very good. Not heard anybody on it, so we'll see whether Mr. Mega Chippie's on the Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
If that was you, Tango, there's no audio.
Oh right, helps if I turn the mic gain up.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, the controls on this are a funny way round.
Roger that.
It's mic gain, RF gain, volume and squelch.
Roger. Roger that. You've been speaking to the mic a bit as well. It seems a bit directional.
Roger, right, I'm on the factory original mic. We haven't got anything wired for this, for a standard one, so I'll talk into it properly over.
Yeah, that's fine. Right, I'm ready when you are.
Right, off we go.
Roger. So now some recording.
Roger, now we've got a tone control.
Roger that. So I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
There we go. We'll keep it in the treble position.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger, as I said before, please talk into the mic.
Roger, Dodger.
Thank you.
Thank you. Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, I think I'll wire a special mic up for this because it makes a good demonstration at the end and it's worth it. You can always plug it over.
Yep, roger that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Sapphire X4000 Cybernet 134 muscle tier model from 1981. There's a 44000. I'm on the factory original market.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
We've got you at the 5 mile point on the Sapphire X4000 Cybernet 134 set from 1981. Doing 441,000 up on the factory original microphone. We'll go to low power. Here we go. 542 1. We're at low power. 500 milliwatts, 400 milliwatts, 500 milliamps. Going back to full power. There we are back on full power, showing 1.2 amps. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, bit noise on low power, but you were legible.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that, can you on the move? Anybody on the channel, copy? Tango 21 in a radio test, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Rossby level crossing.
Yep, petrol 136.9, diesel 144.7.
Right, well done that. I'll work out just fine, so thank you. And anybody on channel copy?
Yeah, just stand by that breaker. Tango 21, yeah, we're now clear, so I'll say 1010 to you.
1010, let me see. Go ahead, caller, D0 again, Tango 21.
Yeah, breaker on the side, my friend over in Lancaster, you can't hear him, so you've got me, Mr. Chippie, at Quarrington Roundabout Mobile, over.
Tango 21 from Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, petrol 136.9, diesel 144.7.
Right, Roger on that. That works absolutely fine, so thank you, and 1010.
Anybody on channel copy?
Yes, somebody is on channel. Go ahead, caller.
Tango 21, yeah, we're now clear, so I'll say 1010 to you.
1010, Mr. C. Go ahead, caller. G0 Jeff Tango 21.
Yeah, break on the side, my friend over in Lancaster, yeah, you can't hear him, so you've got me, Mr. Chippie, at Quarrington Roundabout Mobile, over.
Well, it sounds like he's on more than 4 watts. He sounds like he's on a dodgy set because it's off frequency. So we'll go through to our base station, but first of all, I'm going to wire up a standard replacement mic with a 5-pin DIN on it for this type of set. We've got another one of these to do, and may as well keep one in stock. So I'll do that, and you won't know that 5 minutes have elapsed.
Okay, so I'm testing with the factory original microphone as we've been doing throughout this test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, pop it on low power. There we are on low power, back to full power. There we are back on full power. And now we'll plug in a standard replacement mic which I've made up specially. The next day I wired a standard replacement mic to the Sapphire X4000. So here we are on a standard replacement mic on full power, go to low power. There we are on low power, there we are back on full power. So today's service job should be a Harvard SOS emergency set, which is a bottom of the range 3-channel thing, but Gareth at Leeds has very kindly 3D printed the missing broken battery door, because they're always missing or broken on these. So there we go, and thank you for watching the Sapphire X4000, one of the more unusual Cybernet 134s from 1981.